just giving a brief explanation on how you analyze the market for the undisputed GITHURAI punisher. I have already done the video. I have explained on how you do it, but I just want to give a recap. I just want to give a recap on probably there are some few stuff that I left out. For example, I can see this guy asking about the number of about the number of ticks. So this is what you need to do for the undisputed GITHURAI punisher. It's an over-under robot, specifically trading over. The robot has three versions. The first, we have a V1 which trades over 0, V2 over 1, and V3 which trades over 2. Yeah, and all the three robots have the same recovery. They recovers with over 3 market. I actually adjust the robots. Initially, those robots were actually recovering with over 4, but I adjusted. Currently, they are recovering with over 3. Okay. So how do you analyze the market specifically for this bot? So this is how this robot work. In case you are using the V1, the V1 trades over 0. After it loses a trade, it switches the contract that is from over 0 to over 3. Then after it recovers, it switches back to over 0. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah. For the V2, it starts trading with over 0. Then if the first trade, your initial trade is a win, it switches now to over 1. Then it will continue trading over 1. In case you get a loss, it will switch to over 3. After recovering, it will switch back to over 1. Yeah, in case you are using the V3, yeah, that is the undisputed GITHURAI version 3, it trades over 2. So the robot start your initial trade or your first trade, it will start trading over 0, then switches to over 2. Then in case it will continue trading, in case you get a loss, it will switch now to over 3. After switching to over 3, the moment you make a recovery, it will switch back to that is over 2. Yeah, that's how the robot works. So the analysis, how you analyze the market for V1, V2, V3 is all the same. So how do you go about it? So the first thing you do, you go to the analysis tool, yeah, and select the Right analysis tool, then go to over and unders, then unaenda pale chini una scroll huko chini kwa bar, you'll get that is mahali kuna digit 1 0 1 2 3. You'll just click on digit 3 so that at least you can get that is the market distribution. Yeah, so ukiingia kwa hiyo market over 3, it's supposed ideally the chances of winning over 3 market, yeah, the chances of winning over 3 market is 60%. That means before you start trading, the market yenye unaenda kuingia inastahili kuwa in a range around 60. That is around 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, roughly there. Yeah. So hiyo ni the first thing that you consider. The next thing you do, unaenda kwa you click the chart. The chart iko just next to the Right analysis tool. Unaenda kwa chart, unaeka the same volatility. Time frame unatumia 1 minute. Something else that I have forgot. Ukiwa pale kwa analysis tool where we have those bars, kwenye unaselectia the volatility, unastahili kuweka 100 ticks. We need to analyze this market using the that is 100 ticks so that we can be able to get how the market is actually behaving on real time. Then from there una switch to the charts. On the charts you can decide either to use the charts, the DERIV charts, or you can decide to use the trading view charts. Yeah, assuming you are using the charts, just set 1:8 to 1 minute. Then unaenda kwa the candle, the last candle yenye ina grow, or the candle that is developing at that specific currently that specific moment. That candlestick, in case you want to trade, that is using the undisputed GITHURAI punisher, either you are trading over 0, over 1, or over 2, that candlestick should be in a bullish momentum. When I talk of a bullish momentum, hiyo candlestick inastahili kuwa ya green na ina grow consistent. Hata kama ina retest kidogo, then inaendelea ku grow. Or it can be a red candlestick that is actually retesting, because a retest shows a reverse. Yeah, so it should either be a red candlestick which is growing consistently, or ukiona ina grow consistently, you can just run your bot. Yeah, then in case you have a green candle, make sure it's a green candle that is retesting consistently, so that at least ukiingia kwa hiyo market unaingia market iko on upward momentum. If when the candlestick is green and growing, that means majority of the digit which are popping are digits that is from over 4, and digits over 4 is what will help us just in case we incur a loss. Something else that you need to take into consideration, red bar, green bar should be on digits above 3. That means you will be on digit 4, 5, 6 all the way to digit 9. Yeah, that's where we should have, that's the range for the red bar and the green bar. Inastahili kuwa inachezea hapo, sawa sawa. Something else, so don't, as you trade, you need to check your that is on the circles and confirm that red bar, green bar haziko kwa digit 0, 1, 2 or 3, so that the moment you lose a trade you have high chances of recovering on with the digits over 3. So it's that simple. Yeah, so ukienda pale, the moment you measure spot market, for example, that is you might spot a market. Something else that you can do, actually you need to do, unarudi pale kwa analysis tool where we have the bars choosing you the percentages. Yeah? You need to make sure that your market over 3, that is over 3, you need to make sure kama ulianza ikiwa 58 unaona imeenda 59, 60, 61 hivyo 60 point whatever, unaona like inastahili kuwa ina gain percentage. Then unaenda ile side nyingine kwa bar that is on the candles, unaenda una confirm if the market is in a bullish momentum. If the market is not on a bullish momentum, what do? You don't really have to keep switching the volatilities. You can just chill and wait a bit. Yeah, if umesha spot volatility, unaenda una set up bot yako, unaeka that is a entry point. Entry point of course will always be digit 0. Unaeka digit 0. Then the moment you confirm the market is on a bullish momentum, you just click run, and the robot, because umeshaeka entry point, you really don't have kukaa pale utugoje iguze 0 then you run your bot. Yeah, you just have to that is the moment umesha spot market iko sawa, everything is okay, unaeka 0 then una run the robot, itakaa imepause kidogo. The moment digit 0 itapop, the robot will automatically start and to start executing your trade. So it is that simple. Yeah, just in case you have any question, you can comment to this video, but I'll also make sure I do some more videos that is displaying those charts and explaining on how you get to handle this market on Undisputed GITHURAI Punisher. We'll also do on even odd, rise and fall. We also do on the matches. Actually, we have the best matches tool. I'll actually show you on how to analyze the market using, how to actually trade the matches using our tool, our Airite analysis tool, and also on how you can actually be able to use the ultimate Airite that is robot to actually you analyze the market matches market manual that is on the circles, and then you just go and set everything on your bot, then una click in a run. The robot will actually wait for the entry point, then that moment that digit in your maker kama entry point is hit or it pops up, the robot will automatically start, and you'll have very low chances of missing your entry point in case the digit is coming next. So I got a solution, and I am just here guys to make sure that everyone is profitable. Let's kill the market.